Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to share with you an awesome web hosting platform through which you can buy your hosting only in under $1. And as you can see, this is my website. I have created it in just under $2, $1 for hosting and $1 for my domain name. As you can see, this is working fine. So now I will share with you the websites which I use to buy a domain and hosting. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. So without wasting your time, let's get started. This is the website yoursite.com. I will provide the link in the description. By using that link, you will be land to this page. Okay, from here you can buy the hosting for 1 year only in under $1 in $0.99 per year. As you can see that by using this hosting, you can create two websites and it will provide you 10 GB SSD web space, 100 GB of traffic. That's huge, and cPanel, control panel, etc., and daily backups. So these all things are included in this plan. I think that's a good plan if you want to just create a smaller website. Okay, click on get plan. So here it will ask you to add a domain or register your domain name. We would not buy a domain from this hosting. We will buy a domain name from another website. I will show you later. Now click on skip this step. Now here on this page, create an account, enter your first name, last name, email address, and then your billing address. This website also support cryptocurrencies, so you can pay with cryptocurrencies also. And then click on checkout, and 0.96 USD would be cut off from your account. Now let's see how you can buy a domain name. For buying a domain name, head over to hostinger.com. Hostinger provides you a cheap domain name. As you can see, the .online domain name starts from $0.99 and .store and .tech, etc. If you want to buy a .com domain, that would be cost effective, but if you don't have much money and you want to buy a domain name in under $1, then you can buy .online or .store. You would write your desired domain name, for example, amazing. Now you can see there are many domains that starts from $0.99 per year. So then click on add to cart, and then click on continue to cart, then click on checkout now, create your account, and then add your billing address. And this website also supports cryptocurrencies. You can pay via cryptocurrency. So once you have bought your domain name and hosting, as you have bought our domain name from different website and hosting from different website, now it's time to connect them together so we can make a website easily. So go to your hpanel hostinger.com, as we have bought a domain name from this website, and click on manage. Now you have to change the DNS name servers. Once you will buy the hosting from yoursite.com, the yoursite.com will send you an email that will provide you the name servers. As you can check my email, this is the email yoursite.com has sent me, and these are the name servers. Now copy these name servers from here and then paste it to your domain name servers from where you have bought a domain name, and then click on change name servers and save records. Okay, once you will do it, it will take some hours to process, and then you are good to go. You know, you can install WordPress on your website and you can create your website. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any problems and any questions, do let me know in the comments. I will do my best to answer it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Thanks. Take care.